Hello and welcome. Daily use sentences number 3. I don't have a credit card. I don't have a credit card. मेरे पास क्रेडिट कार्ड नहीं है. मेरे पास क्रेडिट कार्ड नहीं है. I don't have is मेरे पास नहीं है. I don't have is मेरे पास नहीं है. What don't you have? A credit card. Credit card. So we are not using any word for a. They don't have the stamina to walk anymore. They don't have the stamina to walk anymore. उनके पास पैदल चलने की अब ताकत नहीं है. उनके पास पैदल चलने की अब ताकत नहीं है. They don't have is उनके पास नहीं है. उनके पास नहीं है is they don't have. The stamina ताकत. To walk पैदल चलने की. ओके, walk is पैदल चलना. So पैदल चलना means to walk on foot. पैदल चलने की to walk. Anymore is अब. All right. We don't have your mobile number. We don't have your mobile number. हमारे पास आपका मोबाइल नंबर नहीं है. हमारे पास आपका मोबाइल नंबर नहीं है. We don't have is हमारे पास नहीं है. What don't you have? Your mobile number. आपका मोबाइल नंबर. Your is आपका. This dog doesn't have that much patience. This dog doesn't have that much patience. इस कुत्ते में इतना धैर्य नहीं है. इस कुत्ते में इतना धैर्य नहीं है. इस this कुत्ते dog में, okay, में is in this dog. इतना is that much. धैर्य is patience. नहीं है is doesn't have. Okay, doesn't have is नहीं है. Does she have a pet dog? Does she have a pet dog? क्या उसके पास एक पालतू कुत्ता है? क्या उसके पास एक पालतू कुत्ता है? So here does she have is क्या उसके पास है. क्या उसके पास है. Does she have? What? A pet dog. एक पालतू कुत्ता. A is एक, pet is पालतू, dog is कुत्ता. Okay? Do you have a problem? Do you have a problem or do you have any problem? क्या आपको कोई समस्या है? क्या आपको कोई समस्या है? Do you have is क्या आपको है. क्या आपको है. A problem कोई समस्या. So here कोई means any. Okay, any instead of a it is any. Does the car have a flat tire? Does the car have a flat tire? क्या कार का टायर सपाट है? क्या कार का टायर सपाट है? Does the car have? क्या कार का है. A flat tire. सपाट टायर. सपाट is flat. Tire is tire. Okay. Do we have your permission to go to the movie? Do we have your permission to go to the movie? क्या हमें फिल्म में जाने की आपकी अनुमति है? क्या हमें फिल्म में जाने की आपकी अनुमति है. ओके, हमें is us. फिल्म में, ओके, here means to the movie. जाने की to go. आपकी your अनुमति permission है have. Okay, so क्या at the beginning makes this a question. All right, so you cannot literally translate this to Hindi. Next, do they not have a fever? Do they not have a fever? क्या उन्हें बुखार नहीं है? क्या उन्हें बुखार नहीं है? Do they not have is क्या उन्हें नहीं है. What don't they have? A fever. Bukhar. Bukhar is fever. Okay. Does Manju not have a bike? Does Manju not have a bike? क्या मंजू के पास बाइक नहीं है? क्या मंजू के पास बाइक नहीं है? मंजू is name of the person. Does Manju not have? क्या मंजू के पास नहीं है? What? A bike. एक बाइक. Okay. Do we not have his address? Do we not have his address? क्या हमारे पास उसका पता नहीं है? क्या हमारे पास उसका पता नहीं है? Do we not have is क्या हमारे पास नहीं है? His address उसका पता. His is उसका, address is पता. All right. Does she not have a husband? Does she not have a husband? क्या उसका पति नहीं है? क्या उसका पति नहीं है? Does she not have is क्या उसका नहीं है? A husband, पति. ये is एक, but we do not use it here. Okay. So uska because pati is masculine. Even though we are saying she, it is uska because next word pati, husband, is masculine. All right. So as you may have noticed, we use pass when we are talking about a possession. Okay. So here, for example, have what? Have a bike, something that you possess. So when that is the case, we use pass. Okay, pass. If it is not a physical thing that we possess, then we generally leave out the pass. For example, here we have a fever. It is not a physical thing to possess. So here we have not used pass. Okay, pass. So now this is general rule and it doesn't always hold true because here you can see have a husband. Husband is physical living being, but then still we do not use pass. Okay, pass. So generally it is okay. Pass hai. Pass hai is have. Pass hai is have. When you have physical thing, we use pass. When not, we leave out the pass. And once again, it is a general rule. Thank you for watching my video. You can also watch these videos to improve your Hindi.